Hey everyone, this is Daryl from Daily Crypto Trading. It's come to you live from Asia, guys. Great time to be live. We're going to be talking about massive XRP explosion, massive Dogecoin explosion that's about to happen. It is just around the corner. We've got to hear what Donald Trump says about crypto bias. We're going to hear from Brad Garlinghouse giving his prediction of Bitcoin and XRP. And wow. Brad Garlinghouse even went out on a limb and said $178 XRP could be coming soon. And we're going to be showing you some evidence, some proof out there that XRP is going to go nuts as soon as the rate cuts happen. And that's going to happen in September, guys. I believe it. I feel it in my bones. All the evidence has been pointing to that. And right now, XRP and Dogecoin and most of cryptos are looking very, very good, guys. So stay and watch this video to the freaking end. Massive XRP explosion, massive XRP and Dogecoin crypto price prediction is about to happen, guys. This will blow your mind, guys. So watch it to the end. Don't forget to smash the likes, show some love out there. We're also going to deep dive into the technicals for XRP Dogecoin as well. Look at the key support areas and the price targets that we could be seeing soon. We could be seeing soon, within the next 5 days to 10 days, a $4 XRP, guys. The proof is right there. So guys, go back and watch all the other videos. Remember, don't forget to smash the likes. Don't forget to give super thanks. Support the channel. We're going to start doing charity videos again. So far, we've collected around about less than $200, guys. So yeah, it is what it is. So guys, get ready. I love it. Smash the likes once again. So what's going on with the markets right now? As you guys can see, that the overall markets are looking very good. We have a positiveness everywhere out there. Bitcoin is down just a little bit, but overall we're seeing XRP right now is still going up at 305, so not too shabby right now. We're seeing Bitcoin right now is it has a nice V-shaped recovery on the hourly here. I believe that we need to get past this level right here, which is about 118. I think we're going to do that. Things are looking good. Once we get the rate cuts out there, we're going to see a nice pump for Bitcoin. So I'll take a look at this. This is XRP on the hourly. If we zoom in right here. So we have some key area here around about 150 to 355, and then our next key zone is around about here. This is our next key zone that we need to watch for XRP right now, around about 330. I think we're going to get there. See this nice V-shaped recovery from the bottom here. We went all the way up here, and I think we're going to continue to break past that. And once we break past that, then our next level is 355. I believe that we should definitely be seeing $4 should be our strike zone coming soon. Around about this area should be our next strike zone. So I think we can definitely be doing that fairly quickly, fairly rapidly for XRP. So for us to go to the next resistance level, we need to go up 10%, easy. The next resistance level is 16% from there. So basically 16% from where we are now, we hit the next resistance level. And to basically go up to the $4 range, we need to go up another, around about another 32%. It's not impossible considering where we have come from so far. So if we measure from the bottom here where XRP, when we had this dump, to where we are now, we've gone up a nice over 13%. So I think another 13% leg up is pretty doable, guys. See where we are here. If we go up from here to this resistance level, that's only 8%. So we only need to go up around about another 13%, to get to the next level. And then from there, once we get past this level, we need to go up another 13%. So it's interesting. We've made a move 13% already from the bottom. We need to make another 13%, 14.5% to get to the next resistance, and then another 13%. But it's kind of interesting that all these resistance levels are pretty much around 14 to 14.5%. It seems something strange, right? So things are looking pretty good. Dogecoin also is making a nice recovery as well from its bottom to where we are now. We are looking at, let me just fix this chart for you. We're looking at Technical difficulties. We're looking at a nice pump here of around about 11%. So not too shabby, not too shabby. Overall, things are looking pretty good. Fear and greed right now is at 60, down a little bit. We're seeing that the total market cap is at 376 trillion. That's up almost 1%. Not too bad. People, what's really trending coins right now? Ethereum, BTC, Solana, XRP out there. So not too shabby, not too shabby. What's happening right now? Now, keep in mind that Trump executive order is about to sign a new executive order, and this executive order is aimed at penalizing banks for discriminatory practice against conservative individuals and cryptocurrency companies. This initiative is described as a countermeasure to practices like Operation Choke Point 2.0, seek to prevent banks from terminating services based on political beliefs or business type. The order would introduce fines, penalties, financial institutions found guilty of such discrimination, and promoting more inclusive financial environment for those involved in cryptocurrencies. Remember what happened with the Biden administration? Some people had cryptocurrency accounts, and they stopped the onboarding where you couldn't transfer money from your bank to, let's say, Binance or other exchanges. That is all going to disappear. That's going to make money flow in the right direction, guys, for crypto. So that is pretty cool beans out there. What else is coming in? Looks like Ripple's OCC banking license application is now public. Ripple National Trust Bank is officially in motion. It's going to happen, guys. It's absolutely going to happen. Guys, wow, look at this. Just in, 1.1 million added, 1.1 trillion added to the U.S. stock market today. So even the stock market is positive, guys. So things are looking pretty good. Ethereum reclaims 3,700. Nice. So overall, things are looking positive for crypto. Just in, White House preparing executive order to target banks that discriminate against conservatives and crypto companies, addressing debanking practices with potential fines. Once again, this is very, very, very positive. Very positive. Looks like update. Just in, James Howell ends 12-year search for hard drive containing 8,000 Bitcoin, now worth 950 million. So remember, this chucklehead threw out a hard drive. He couldn't find it, and he finally has given up. Poor guy. Sorry, bro. What else is coming in? Looks like Brad Garlinghouse predicts XRP to hit 200,000 by the end of 2025, but says XRP will overtake BTC as a 654 trillion floods into XRP. Let's listen.
What is your price target for Bitcoin? Because Cardano blockchain founder predicted, as I said earlier, 250,000 by year end.
You know, I will predict Bitcoin. I wouldn't predict XRP. It's too close to home. But I think 200,000 is not unreasonable. I think before I've kind of said, 175 around there. I think people underestimate how the largest economy in the world, the United States, went from headwinds, hostility, to tailwinds. And
what is your price target for?
Also, if you take a look at Doge right now, it looks like Doge is on the daily 1 hour chart. Follow the wave of the Doge. Don't miss the trend. It looks like Doge is moving on up, guys. And if this wave continues, we're predicting $1.10 coming in from Trader Tardigram, my bro out there. Also, now September rate cuts, 90% odds of that happening. Thank goodness. And I tell you, if this happens, we're going to see XRP surge. We're going to see XRP surge well over $4. But I still believe that if we take a look at the chart for XRP, I still think that $4 is inevitable by the end of this month, because we've had a nice 13% move in a very short period of time, guys. Remember, our bottom was August 25th. Now, our bottom, August 25th, our bottom was Sunday the 3rd. Now it's the 5th. So we've moved up 13% in 2 days. I believe $4 is coming in the next week or so. I believe it's going to happen, guys. So get ready out there. Feel sorry for that guy. What else is coming in right now? Also, too, 42 banks just tried to block Ripple's banking license because XRP is replacing them. Yeah, Wall Street's going to panic, guys. Absolutely panic out there. Let's listen. Brad Garlinghouse predicts that XRP could reach $178. What?
The macro environment around custody digital assets is expected to be close to $10 trillion by the year 2030. And inevitably, people are going to need a place to store those assets and safe, secure, and they're going to need to be able to transfer them as well, having good on and off ramps. Even a tokenization engine, some of the work Ripple is doing around central bank digital currencies or CBDCs. So we think there's a lot of pieces that come together, and we already had, and I remember when you and I first spoke, I remember being on a call with one of the largest top 10 banks in the world, and a bank Ripple was already working with, and they were asking us about could we help them with their custody. This is prior to the Medico acquisition, and we weren't in a position to do that. And so when we think about that synergy, the ability to say to that existing Ripple customer, hey, here's a best in class, going head to head, time and time again, and winning on the custody level, to be able to bring that product to them, I think is a great opportunity for the two companies together. So,
yeah, nice. So, guys, definitely $4 coming in. Guys, don't forget to smash the likes and give super thanks. I appreciate it. That's kind of all I got, guys. Be blessed, be well. Peace out.